Artoonza.
In this super easy tutorial, we're going to draw a set of cupcakes, muffins in different styles. Or as I like to call it, yummy yummy because I'm hungry right now. Drawing time, let's have a lot of fun together.
Wow!
I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait.
Aww, so cute.
Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Purple? Pink? Orange? Yellow? Brown. This is so amazing. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Yummy, yummy. Green. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Yellow. Red. Don't be shy, color high.
Wow!
Brown. Pink.
Aww, so cute.
Purple. Orange. Color, color, color. Give us your like. Shoo, go away. Mix it up, mix it up. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now. This is so amazing. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.